You're working from home, on the move, and in sync with the future. You'll do anything to help save some time and keep your life organized. We get it. You need to stay productive and you're tired of cleaning up after others. You've already got enough on your plate.
So I really hate doing the dishes. It's my least favorite chore. It actually grosses me out a little bit. So when this was given to me, I was pretty excited because it helps me get all of the crusty, gross things off, and I don't have to touch anything.
Who's washing dishes? Who's washing dishes, Nate? Look at me.
What?
You love this product? Look at me.
A little, yeah.
Look at me.
This cleaning attachment helps stop my brother from leaving a mess. You can use it with the handle or put it in your sink. It's called Sink and Spin and saves a lot of my time. Plus my water bill went way down. I think they're on Amazon now, but there was only a